Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So Instagram have added one more new feature, like whenever you will go to your Instagram app and click on plus icon, so here you will see a message. Before only post, story, live, and the reel option was there, but a new option is added here, that is message. So how this feature work, I will show you in my mobile screen. So first open your Instagram account, then you have to click on the plus icon that you can see here, and here you will see before it was post, story, reel. Now you can see a message option. For example, I am clicking a photo here or anything. You can change the setting, allow replay, keep in chat, view once, anything. So I will click on message and I can select the person I want to send it. So click on done. So this message is directly sent. So here you can see this image is sent. So in this way you can use this new feature. I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.